Hi guys, welcome back to 956 Flips. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, I buy liquidation merchandise. I go to pawn shops, flea markets, buy stuff online to resell. Today I got some DS Lites from eBay. There's 52 in total. So I think I'm gonna do 2 videos on this one. Also, guys, the giveaway that I'm doing ends in a couple of days, so check it out. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So here's the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and grab half of them. And we'll check them out real quick. Here's a quick sneak peek. So let me go ahead and grab half of these and we'll get started. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So here's the first one. I like DS Lites more than I like the other consoles because you can use them for DS games and Game Boy Advance games. So let's see what this does. This one does nothing. Let's try to put the charger on it real quick. Let's see if it does anything at all. There we go. So we had the charge light go on and off. That's usually a bad fuse. Let's go ahead and see the next one. The screens. Let me check out the screens real quick. They look good. It's a little dirty. There's another gray one. That's the last gray one. This one looks good also. And we got power. Let's go ahead and change the language. A button's kind of picky. Let's see if it charges. It does. Alright. Let's go ahead and grab a game and test it out. So I found my Super Mario game. I'm not using the Mario and Sonic. I found this one. This one tests everything, all the buttons. You got to use the triggers on it. So let's go ahead and shut this down. Pick up the game. That works. Like I say, the A button's sticky. I'll fix that. Volume works. Up and down volume. See if I can die. That works. And the triggers work. Alright, so this is a fully working console, except for maybe that A button. See? Maybe a little use. It's gotten better. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Take that out. Put this one beside over here. Next one is this one here, teal color. It's good shape. There's no power. Let's see. Both screens flickered. Maybe it's completely dead. Let's go ahead and give it a charge for a few seconds. We'll put that one aside. We got another console. We got another gray one. Looks good. That's a bad top screen. Look how this flickers. Yeah. But the case is good. Hopefully that's good. Let's check out another one. Got this white one here. There's some Pokemon stickers and I don't know what. This one's actually got the Game Boy slot cover. It's all bedazzled. Alright. Huh? Turned on. Okay. The battery went out. Let's move that aside. Let's get the teal color back over here. See if it does anything different. Yeah, we got some power. This one probably just needed a charge. Let's see if it reads discs. Well, let's first put it in a language I can read. That's another cool thing about the DS Lite. You can put it in English. The DSi's you cannot. So let's go ahead and put the game in there. Fire it up. I picked up the game. Awesome. These were as is, guys. You just never know what you're gonna get. I figured this one, they probably lost the charger or whatever for it, couldn't get it to turn on, and they got rid of it. And all they needed was a charge. I'm just gonna go through a few of these fully like this, and then the rest of them we'll just go through them and see what they do. Make this video a little shorter. If we sit here and test all of them, it'll probably be about an hour. So let's just test a few, like thoroughly, and then the other ones we'll just see what they do real quick. And so far, yeah, this one's great. Trigger works. Oh, that's our issue right there. The left trigger doesn't work. Well, kind of. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. There it goes. Yeah, it's a tough left trigger. Alright. Bye-bye. Make sure it's off. Okay. Let's come back to this white one. Let's plug it in. Let's just see if it charges now. It does. Alright. Okay. I'll go ahead and set this one aside, let it charge for a little bit. I know it turns on, so that's a good sign. Let's move it over here. Let's grab another console. There's another one. Another white one. This one's got a broken hinge. Usually it's over on this side, not on that side, so that's pretty weird. It does work. Cool. Alright. I think I'm going to put these in the working pile. Got this one. It's got the cartridge slot cover. Let's see what it does. Oh, well, if you saw both screens when they flashed, they looked broken. That means that the battery's pretty gone. Let's see if we can get it to turn on like that so you guys can see it completely. Yeah, broken screen and broken screen. Now, even though the LCD is broken, the touchscreen might still work, but can't see anything. So, alright, moving on. Got a pink one, also with a color. That's pretty cool. Bad top screen, you can see. Do the other ones work? Yes, they do. Alright. That one's just a bad top screen. The case is really nice. Like I said, it's got the Game Boy cover. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Here's another one. Just so you say it's not the same one. Here's the other pink one. There's quite a few pink ones, guys. This one I can tell has got a little crack right there. That shouldn't affect it. But there is... the switch seems to be kind of like stuck. Yeah, it's pretty hard. I'll probably have to open this one up and check it out thoroughly. But it does show a charge, so that's good. Okay, another white one. Pretty disgusting inside. Nothing a good cleaning won't fix. This charge light went on and off, so this is probably going to be a fuse. Yeah, this one's got a blown fuse. Alright. Here's another white one. It's got screen protectors. You can see all the bubbling here. I don't know how well you can see it, but it does have a screen protector. Let's see if it pulls a charge. Well, it is charging. I think the A button's out. Yep. Let's see if the B button doesn't work either. Yeah. There's a issue with the board, but it's got good screens, so definitely can make a new one out of that. Here's another one with a bunch of Pokemon stickers. Man, this one's seen some better days on that touchscreen. It's got the cover. Does show a charge. Top screen is messed up. Well, it was right now. Directional pad doesn't work. The buttons don't work. This one's pretty much gone, guys. I'll save it for the shell, but I'm pretty sure the board is messed up, or it's gotten so dirty inside that the buttons don't respond anymore. I have seen that happen in the past. Open them up, clean them up, and they work. Here's another one. I don't know what these stickers are, but it's got stickers. Fire it up. Okay, cool. Top screen looks like it's kind of going crazy. I don't know how you guys can see that, but look there. Moving on. This one's got a broken hinge right up here on the top. But hopefully the screen survived and the console works. We'll see. B button, A button don't work. I've been seeing that a lot lately. I hadn't seen that before, but could be from, like I say, grime, or the board's just giving out. And that screen is all different colors. I don't think it's going to be one that's salvageable. So let's put that aside. We'll go with another one. This is in good shape. Plug it in. Fired right up. Another one with a bad. That one, the B button works, the A button works. It's just this, the directional pad doesn't work. Other than that, it looks good. And you can tell it's had some serious use. There's a lot of wear and tear here. Probably just have to swap out the plastic inside, the rubber inside, and it'll fix it. I've got plenty of those. It's a pink one. This one looks in really good shape. Top screen broken. Buttons work. So this one's probably just going to be the top screen. which is cool. Here is another pink one. This one's got a lot of sticky stuff on it, residue. I guess they try to peel off the sticker. Got it fired up. Alright. Bottom screen went crazy. Maybe it's just the way it is. Now look at it. I don't know how well you can see that, guys. That, all that down here, the screen's messed up. No problem. Get that fixed. Bottom screens are easy to work on. Broken hinge. It did fire up. Looks like the screen survived the broken hinge. Plug it in. It does show a charge. Okay, buttons work. Cool. Here's another white one. It's got a cover also right there. Just fires up. Cool. This one looked really good. Right over here with the working bunch. Metallic pink or salmon, whatever you want to call it. A button was a little sticky. That one looks good too. Of course, I'm gonna have to test them in games, but quick test, they look good. There's a red and black cover on there too. You hardly ever see them with covers. Let's see. Got power. This one probably had a dead battery because the buttons seem to work fine. The up is a little eh. We'll replace the rubber inside or clean it up. That's that red one. There's another one. This one looks blue. That's a nice color. Unfortunately, we've got no power. As far as we can test that. Only a few more left, guys. There's another white one. Also same thing as the blue one. There's no power. And I remember correctly, that's also a fuse, or if the console got water in it, it's probably water damaged. You know what, let's check that real quick before we go on to the next one. You can tell when they're water damaged by opening up the battery compartment, taking the battery out. There's usually a little tab here. So that one is pink and white. That means it hasn't been water damaged. When it's all pink, that means there's some water damage or liquid damage, whatever it is. Sometimes there's kids spill Coke. I've seen that, water, all kinds of crazy stuff. Let's go with another one here. We got this ugly looking white one. It's all brown. This is going to be a good candidate if it works for my daughter to paint it. It does work. Up is a little picky. Let's see what charges. Wrong one. Come here. It does. Sorta. That's weird. I've never seen it blink like that. Maybe a dead battery. B button does not work. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. 2 more. This is the second to the last. Awesome color. Broken bottom screen. This one hasn't been fired up in a while. That's why it's at the menu. That is working. Okay. Alright, here we go with the last one for this video. It's another white one. And it works. Let's go ahead and do a thorough test on this one, since it's the last one. So I picked up Mario. I think I'm going to beat a couple of stages on this one, so I don't have to see the intro all over again. So let's check this. X and Y work, B works, A works, triggers, that's right, that's left. Okay, this one's fully working, guys. Good way to end the video. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Like I said, don't forget about the giveaway. It's only a few more days left. It's a mystery box of liquidation merchandise. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.